Hello, beautiful morning to everyone here. My name is Wanze Gideon, or you can call me Gideon Alvin for short. And this is my channel, and by the grace of God, we'll be dealing on the basic computer training for your use as a basic user of computer. When it comes to using your computer, I believe most of us are very shy, while some of us are having this challenge of using our computer. And it's not that it's a bad thing, it's just a challenge. So I want to indulge on your capacity as a human being to put it in mind that this is not what it seems. Yes, it's not what it seems. It's not that stressful to handle your laptop, your computer, or your device that should be managed by you. Yes, and I know of persons that usually sit close to their laptops before they were shy or they were nervous of using their laptops or their computers. Maybe perhaps they didn't have access to them. Yes, and this basic training would lead to a complete curtail of or curtailment of this challenge of being nervous when using your computer. You don't have to feel like oh I want to go and pay. I feel like paying because I'm using my laptop. No, there should be nothing like that henceforth. In as far as you're able to follow these steps in this basic computer training, and you check when you check the playlist that will be running on after this very video, you be guided promptly on how and ways that you should be using your computer system, and the packages that will try to make sure are available for you to learn the computer training on Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, and Microsoft PowerPoint. As you know, they are all within the Microsoft Office suite. Sorry, for those of us that are not aware, and some other packages too. We'll be dealing more on this for. As I hope that with the basic process, the steps therein, you can be able to move on to understanding what everything about your computer training will be all about. And prior to that, your next video will talk about you knowing your computer better. Yes, so we'll talk about turning on, switching off, turning on and turning off your computer. We'll call it booting. We'll talk about turning on your computer, specifically talking about booting or putting your computer and stuff. So talk about that in our next class, and hope that you get the best out of it. And this is where we're going to start, and by our next class you see more on what you are seeing here. Please try to follow my channel. Yes, follow my channel. You see the follow link below. Please try to follow and like my videos. I believe by the time you motivate me more, I'll keep on giving you my best when it comes to teaching you on how to make productive use of your computer system. Thank you for being there as you start, and we hope that you learn more as you stay with us program. Stay blessed.